Hi, I'm Dr. Kohli from Agelock Skin Clinic. Today I'm going to talk about PRP. Everyone knows the abbreviation PRP, but what it is actually many people do not understand. PRP is platelet rich plasma therapy, in which we spin your blood for a few minutes and separate the RBCs from the plasma and re inject that plasma into your scalp or your skin as desired or as needed. Now, how this plasma helps? This plasma contains growth factors, which are actually very beneficial for our skin and leads to regeneration of elastin and collagen, resulting in anti-aging. Similarly, when this plasma is injected in your scalp, it can lead to hair growth. Firstly, the hair they become thicker. The hair follicle becomes thicker. There is regrowth from the root, eventually leading to hair regain. So जो पीआरपी है वो आजकल एक मैजिक की तरह यूज होना शुरू हो गया है, बट यू शुडंट कंसिडर इट मैजिक. It's a process, it's a procedure. It takes time. You should always understand that when patient walks into the doctor's office, they tend to forget that जो उनको प्रॉब्लम हुई है वो कितनी देर से हुई है. They want the results immediately, but the thing is results are never immediate. PRP will help definitely, but over time that should be remembered. And the most important thing is अपना पेशेंस लेवल मत छोड़िएगा, ज़रूर हेल्प करेगा. तो जब हम स्किन में उसको इंजेक्ट करते हैं, वी मिनिमाइज द रिंकल्स, वी मिनिमाइज द डैमेज, वी इंड्यूस्ड सेल रीग्रोथ. अब जब नया सेल आएगा तो स्किन रिजुविनेटेड लगेगी. So that's the key as to how PRP work. That is because of the growth factors in it. So आजकल PRP is not just being used for hair and skin. काफ़ी कुछ कर सकते हैं हम PRP से. Like orthopedicians are using it for joints. Stretch marks can be reduced. Face scars or any scar can be reduced, as well as anti-wrinkle भी use होता है. As an anti-wrinkle agent, PRP is used. And it's never too late to have a beautiful skin. So you can start at whatever age that you are right now. I'm Dr. Kohli, and you can catch me on Skin Beauty Pal app, downloaded through Play Store or iOS. My clinic code is PJ0302, and you can reach me anytime, and I'll be always there for you.